Hey, what's going on everyone? The Fab Marketplace just released their new free assets of the month, and there are some really good ones in here. I'll start off by showing the Mystery Cave by Dmitry Drizak. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. As you can see, it's a beautiful 3D cave scene with really a lot of vegetation going on, a lot of beautiful lighting. The next one I want to show is by Dari Pulaski, and this is the Assassin Pack. As you can see, you got this really cool looking assassin character. There's actually multiple assassins in this pack. This comes with a complete skeleton mesh, and it also comes with a lot of animations. If you download this and put it on your Unreal Engine project, you can see all the animations. And the last pack from Fab Marketplace is the Liate Studios. And this is the Carpenter's Workshop Environment Workshop Prop Pack Carpenter Woodworking 3D. That's some name for sure. As you can see, you have this beautiful Carpenter's Workshop. So beautiful looking scene. This actually also works in the Godot game engine. The last asset I want to show you is the free asset this week from the Publisher of the Week sale at the Unity Asset Store. And the Publisher of the Week is Magic Sound Effects. So as the description, a versatile package of futuristic sounds for sci-fi projects. So 600 sound effects, including for weapons and creatures and magic spells or UI sounds. So really a complete package for creating a sci-fi or fantasy-based game. Those were all the assets I wanted to show you this time. I recommend you go and try these assets out right now. They all look absolutely amazing. I'm going to try them out in my games for sure. I hope you have a good one and thank you for watching.